Have you ever wondered how Isaac gained millions of views and thousands of subscribers with just 4 videos? An intriguing question, isn't it? It's not magic, nor is it pure luck. The secret to Isaac's rapid success lies in his unique and meticulously crafted strategy. Isaac's approach to YouTube content creation and promotion is unlike any other. Today we're going to unravel the mystery and reveal the 4 pillars of Isaac's strategy. So, buckle up as we embark on this fascinating journey into the world of YouTube success. The first pillar of Isaac's strategy is creating a compelling channel. You see, a channel is not just a collection of videos, it's a brand, it's an identity, it's a reflection of who you are and what you stand for. And Isaac, he understood this. His channel is a perfect example of a clear, consistent brand. From his logo to his banner, every element of his design is professionally crafted, giving an impression of quality and reliability. But a compelling channel isn't just about looks. It's also about the content. If the content isn't up to par, no amount of professional design can save it. Isaac's content is top-notch. It's interesting, it's engaging, and most importantly, it's consistent. He delivers what his audience expects, and then some. A compelling channel is the foundation of any successful YouTube strategy. The second pillar of Isaac's strategy is the creation of high-quality content. Now, what does this mean? It's not just about having a good camera or fancy editing skills. High-quality content is about providing value to your viewers. It's about creating something that is informative, engaging, and entertaining all at once. Think about it. We've all clicked away from a video that didn't grab our interest, right? That's where Isaac really shines. His videos are packed with useful information delivered in an engaging way. He keeps viewers hooked with his wit and charm, all the while making sure that they're learning something new. But that's not all. Isaac also knows the importance of entertainment. He incorporates humor, storytelling, and even suspense into his videos, turning what could be a simple how-to guide into a thrilling watch. So, how do you replicate this? Start by understanding your audience. What do they find informative, engaging, and entertaining? Once you've got that down, the rest will follow. High-quality content is the key to attracting and retaining viewers. The third pillar of Isaac's strategy is to hook his audience. This is a pivotal part of any successful YouTube channel. How exactly does Isaac do this? Well, he employs a variety of techniques. One of these is the use of cliffhangers. Isaac often leaves his audience on the edge of their seats, wondering what will happen next. This keeps them eager for his next video, ensuring they return to his channel. Another tool in Isaac's arsenal is the call to action. By simply asking his viewers to like, comment, or subscribe, he increases viewer engagement and fosters a sense of community. Lastly, Isaac uses end screens effectively. These are the final graphics in a video, often containing links to other content or prompting viewers to subscribe. Isaac's end screens are always engaging, often teasing future content or recapping the highlights of the video. Hooking your audience ensures they keep coming back for more. The final pillar of Isaac's strategy is channel promotion. This involves a variety of methods to get the high-quality videos he's created in front of as many viewers as possible. Let's break it down. First up, social media. Isaac knows the power of social platforms and uses them to his advantage. He shares his videos across platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, reaching out to his existing followers and attracting new ones. Next, email marketing. Isaac maintains a mailing list where he sends out regular updates about his latest videos, behind-the-scenes content, and more. This keeps his audience engaged and coming back for more. Lastly, paid advertising. Yes, sometimes you have to spend money to make money. Isaac invests in YouTube ads to promote his videos to a wider audience. This strategy helps him to reach people who may not have discovered his channel otherwise. Promotion is the final piece of the puzzle, getting your high-quality content in front of as many people as possible. So there you have it. Isaac's remarkable YouTube success boils down to 4 key strategies. First, he crafted a compelling channel with a clear brand and professional design. Second, he consistently produced high-quality content that informed, engaged, and entertained. Third, he mastered the art of hooking his audience. keeping them coming back for more. Lastly, he promoted his channel through various methods, ensuring his videos reached as many viewers as possible. With these 4 pillars, Isaac was able to gain millions of views and thousands of subscribers with just 4 videos. Now it's your turn to try.